Hello, and welcome to the Graco Education Center. Now that you've primed your sprayer, you're ready to start spraying. Pointing at a piece of scrap cardboard, pull the trigger completely to test the spray pattern. As you look at your pattern, you might need to adjust some things to get dialed in. Practice makes perfect. If you're using an impact driver and it has a speed setting, this is when you can experiment with the available speed settings on the drill to dial in your desired spray pattern. Remember that a drill driver offers slower speeds, giving you more control, and an impact driver is faster, allowing you to be more productive. You'll want to try and stay about 12 inches from the surface. Do your best to look at this while spraying, but if you sway a few inches either way, you'll still get a great finish. Always overlap each pass by approximately 50%. You can see these two finishes are too fast and too slow. Keep a steady pace that shows a solid paint coverage. Again, overlap each pass by approximately 50%. This will give you the best finish. Depending on your project, you can rotate the spray tip to a vertical or horizontal position. Walls are generally best sprayed horizontally, while doors and other tall areas can be sprayed vertically. Ultimately, if you're getting good coverage and you're feeling comfortable, spray the way you prefer. This pattern is called tails. It is not a desired pattern, and it usually happens when the pressure is set too low. If you have a model with a speed setting, you can turn up the speed. This could also be a sign of tip wear. Paint wears tips over time, so if adjusting the pressure doesn't help, it might be time to replace the tip. Thanks for visiting the Graco Education Center. We're always here to help.